Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of Time for Chat, which launches on the 10th of February at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'll be going through my latest release along with my launch partner, Hassan Ko. Now, Time for Chat, as the title possibly suggests, is about the new artificial intelligence sensation that has hit the online marketing world this year in 2023, and that is, of course, ChatGPT. Now, some of you, I expect a lot of you, may have heard the buzz around ChatGPT, but whether you have or whether you haven't and you don't actually know what it is and how this amazing new technology works, well, in Time for Chat, we are going to show you exactly step by step with over-the-shoulder videos the 5 best ways that you can monetize the amazing power of this new technology. So just to give you a very quick idea, ChatGPT is essentially an interactive, highly advanced AI bot that you can ask questions to on any subjects and that you can ask to perform tasks on any subject. I liken it in the course almost to like the genie in the bottle, but without being limited to the 3 wishes that you get from that particular genie, because you can ask ChatGPT to do anything over and over again. There's no limit to the number of wishes that you will be granted. You're only limited by your own imagination, and you can ask it to create products for you, to create ebooks for you, to create content for your website, to create an email marketing campaign, to tell you how to do any task online that you're struggling with. Like if you want to make a video without putting your own voice on it, ChatGPT will tell you step by step exactly how to do that. You know, if you want to create puzzles and quizzes, if you want to write reviews, if you want to freelance your services out, you know, it's absolutely unlimited, the sort of stuff that you can do with ChatGPT. So if this sounds interesting, and to be honest, you know, you should be excited, folks. Yeah, we see a lot of hype in our industry. The vast majority of it is completely unjustified, but ChatGPT really is a game changer for people that want to sort of bypass 2 or 3 years worth of learning different skill sets, because the sort of stuff that you have to learn how to do if you don't naturally know how to do it in internet marketing, you know, like writing copy, like writing sales copy, writing emails, knowing what to write to your email list, you know, how to craft course content, how to put chapters in an ebook, all of this sort of stuff you can get done for you instantly. And even if, you know, your English is limited to the ability to ask a couple of simple questions, you know, that's all you've got to be able to do. You could come in with English not as your first language, and it wouldn't be any sort of issue. You would come across as a brilliant writer of English. And again, I quote in the sales video the fact, which is true, that in the last week, the ChatGPT bot has actually passed a very difficult law exam with a C+ grade. And you know, the person marking the exam paper didn't know that it was that it had been written by a bot. You know, these people are highly skilled in looking for plagiarism, in looking for content that's not written by a human. You know, none of it was detected. That's how natural the writing skills of ChatGPT are. So, as I said, I think everyone should be excited by this because it's a game changer for all of us here in the industry. So if this sounds like it's of interest and you want to jump in on the buzz, and why wouldn't you, then pick up, click the link underneath this video. It will bring you through to this page here. You will also get the 5 bonuses that I put together for everyone that picks up Time for Chat, and we'll go through those in just a moment. You can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons before this timer runs out. So let's have a look at the sales page. Time for Chat, the new sensation that changes everything. Learn how to monetize the amazing ChatGPT. No experience, email list or tech skills required. This changes everything for internet marketers. Making money online just got a whole lot easier. Discover the 5 best easy ways to make money using ChatGPT. It works in any niche. Anyone can do this, even if you've never made a dime online before. It's totally newbie friendly, no list required. The possibilities are endless. Never be short of content, products or ideas ever again. And we want to make this widely available, so providing you take fast action, and we're only keeping this price during the launch period, but we are going to let you have this for less than $10. You know, ChatGPT's open source software, so you know, we thought we would make this as affordable without actually, you know, completely giving it away, but making it under a tenner, so $9.95. But we are going to, you know, as with anything online, people are rewarded for taking action fast. So if you come back after the launch, we are going to probably treble that in price at the end of the launch period, but certainly at the very least double it in price. Okay, we'll also have a look inside the members area. There it is. I'll show you the funnel, and we'll have a look inside the pro members area as well, just so you can see what's going on there. Hope you like my hat. All right, okay, so let's just quickly deal with these bonuses. So when you click on the link below, you'll come through to this page here. This video that I'm making now will be in there. What's time for chat? We've already gone through that. There's my sales video. Bonuses. Total traffic is my flagship traffic generation course. It shows you 15 different ways that you can generate free organic traffic on demand. A very important thing to have. The Tiger report was my report. This actually carries PLR rights with it as well, so you can give this away or resell it should you so wish, of how to do marketing the correct way, and it was written in response to the tough year that we were having last year. Rhino Results 2.0. This is a great course that shows you how to rebuild your affiliate score on Warrior Plus, or indeed to create a good affiliate score if you're a brand new affiliate and currently have a 0 score. Crypto Crackers shows you how to finally succeed with cryptocurrency. I bill it as the almost risk-free way of dealing with crypto. There is always, you know, a slight risk of any strategy, but this narrows that to less than 5%, I would say. And finally, list your links, which is a great product that shows you 50 top secret sites that hardly anyone knows about that can deliver free traffic to you every day. They're not traffic exchanges or anything like that. So great set of bonuses. Everyone gets them. They're delivered in the members area. You don't have to press any extra buttons to get them. Indeed, I'll show you exactly where they are. So this is the sales page. Do have a look at it. It's quite long, so do have a read through this. There's myself and my launch partner. This sort of tells you a little bit about what's in and ChatGPT, etc. So yeah, just have a look through all of that, and it will give you confirmation of the product and our guarantee. 30 days, no questions asked, money back guarantee on this one. We want to remove any barriers that anyone could possibly have to pick this up, because it's such valuable and vital information. I don't want anyone to miss out. So have a look through that, and then that will bring you into your members area. So you've got the welcome videos from me and from Hassan. Do please subscribe to our YouTube channel there for regular updates. Then we just go into the overview of the course. It will load. It's just slow on my computer. And then after that, we go into the main training section, where you will see the different methods. So we've got an introduction to the training, which, you know, gives you a bit of background on what ChatGPT is exactly, how to access it, and a brief overview. Well, I say brief overview, I think it's probably about half an hour long, in exactly how to use it, and then we go into the money making methods, and then got some resources for you as well, some squeeze pages, and all the bonuses that I just talked to you about. They're all, you'll find them here. So if you want to access Tiger Report, you just click on the button there. We've even got some extra bonuses for you with the free product club as well. So all sorts of stuff in there. So let's have a look at the funnel. So as I said, front end just $9.95. Now I strongly recommend the Pro version. Again, I've tried to keep the prices as low as it's feasibly possible for everything in this one to maximize the opportunities for everyone. So $37 only. It's $10 less than I normally charge for the Pro version. And this is going to give you 10 more methods to monetize ChatGPT with some advanced techniques that will 10 times your income. So with this Pro version, you would have a total of 15 different methods that you can use to monetize ChatGPT, and you'll see that there's a separate area in the Pro version where all these lessons are in here for you, all 10 of them, so you can get all that extra vital information. I strongly do urge you to pick that up. Executive Club, again, $37 only. Put yourself ahead of the affiliate marketing game. Get notified at least a week before the launch of all my new releases. You'll get a review copy of the product and guaranteed approval. You'll even get 100% commissions on the front end. Get ahead of the game and plan your campaigns early for maximum effect. Reseller rights. Now, whether or not you normally pick up reseller rights to products, I strongly suggest that you do with this one, folks, because ChatGPT is just such a red hot topic at the moment. So having a product that you can sell and keep 100% of the commissions, with the exception of the high ticket upsell at the end there, which you'll get 30% for, it's a pretty big deal. Everyone else will get 50, obviously, and you'll be getting 100% of the funnel. So do take this opportunity to pick up the reseller rights. Upsell number 4 is done for you weekly campaigns. Get sent 3 done for you campaigns each and every week, including a done for you bonus page with a review video, product demo, and 10 custom bonuses delivered for you. You will need Commission Gorilla for that. There is a link if you haven't already got it, but that's a paid for product, just to flag that up. And finally, if you want to really transform your online results in 2023, then why not consider joining and working with me in my Elite Academy as one of my personal students, and join my high ticket program. Again, you'll find all the full details and about a half an hour long video on the sales page explaining things in details. So that's pretty much it, folks. If you want to pick this up and get all these bonuses, as I said, all you have to do is click any of these green buttons. Then when the cart opens, just click on the button there, and then that will bring you into your members area at Warrior Plus, where you click on the green button to access your copy of this product. Sorry, time for chat. Lost the name of it for a second. And you don't have to click on the button to access the bonuses, because, as you've seen, they are already delivered for you here inside the members area. So I'm not going to give this a star rating, obviously, because it's my own product, so I don't do that. That wouldn't be right. It's for other people to give it a rating. All I will do is thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. If you've enjoyed it, do please click on that subscribe button underneath, and also click on the bell icon so that you get informed every time I bring out new content. And until then, this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Time for Chat.